Yes, sir.
With adrenaline pumping through my veins.
Time to vault
With
up.
adrenaline pumping through my veins.
Gonna boss
With
up.
adrenaline pumping through my veins.
It's a sure thing.
With adrenaline pumping through my veins.
I'm losing my logic, that's it. Crazy like I'm batshit. Open the door, blast it. Blowing out a gasket. I think you need some sleep. You are looking ratchet, don't need a mattress. Tempur-Pedic one that's lasting. Herculean strength with the flow, be the master. We're moving faster, we're in the masters. The vision with precision. Winning every single competition. Gonna work this here from beginning to the finish. Let's get it. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go.
Right now we have our first outdoor meet of the year. You know, I never really had a chance to do a recap of indoor. I thought in general it was a good season. We had a lot of improvements between each of the athletes on our NAS team. You know, it sucked with Anna. She was literally one place away and 1 inch away from making it into the national meet. So I know that she's got a lot of hunger coming into outdoor, and together holistically as a group we've been training really hard. Excited about today. It's going to be a fun time. Kind of sucks if you notice no snow on the ground, which it's a rarity around this time, I guess you could say, but it's still only 36 degrees. It's going to be definitely an interesting go, so hopefully we can get out here and do our best.
Polsky, Polsky. We got the cool breeze coming in.
It is cold out here. Good.